How are you guys doing? My name is Abdul Joseph, and thank you and welcome to my capstone. Please bear with me as I get everything together. Okay, so my background, Army veteran, um, kind of retail construction background. I had the opportunity to go to Savvy Coders and do this web development course through the VTech program offered by the VA. This is my second coding school. I was in another coding school that ended abruptly. They just canceled classes due to funding, I guess. And I really wanted to do this, so I stuck with it. And luckily, I was able to get into Savvy Coders. And and it's something you really want to do, you're passionate about, like I stuck with it. So, and here I am. um, I was able to learn different types of software. We'll take a cyber recorded course. Agile, we'll talk a lot about structure, Jira, kind of communication based. You had a problem, sprints, stuff like that. Um, Kind of had like you had a problem, you post a ticket, and then within a couple of days or within a few hours or up to a day, you get response back from a TA or an instructor on how to rectify the issue. Um, so here's what I wanted to do when I first got in, Capstone project. I was a little naive and ambitious. Um, this is the UI design. Kind of want to do something where it was kind of simplified, like a uh, almost like a just a one picture swipe, yes or no. Um, didn't really work out like that, but I've got some knowledge now for next time on somewhat how to get that where I want it to be. But this is very helpful to get me on a specific path instead of just doing things willy nilly. We learned how to do a SWOT analysis, and basically, oh, I'm sorry. Let me go back to my. So, the website was called Here You Go. Basically, we believe in recycling goods back into the community, eliminating waste, and strengthening community relations. I'm an empty nester. I have a lot of stuff around the house that just sits there. I'm pretty sure other people do too. So it was kind of a free website where you can just post what you want. If you had some things at your house that you would just share and based off your location, which I didn't get to work with my API, but that's something I will work on and try to correct. Where you can post your location or your zip code and say, hey, I have this to offer. If you want it or not, no strings attached. Just if you want it, take it. If not, an example, here's my products page. I could not get my pictures to work, but that's in the process of fixing. So basically, product one was a road bike, snazzy little gym that collects dust. It had a location, a zip code. You'd be able to add it to your wish list. This is something I wasn't able to fix, but it would click the add to wish list button. It would bring you to this page. This page would ultimately have a uh, add or delete function to where you can delete the item. In this case, it was a bike. Product one was a bike, road bike, and that was it. You'd be able to secure that item. Excuse me. Product two is a nice backpack, et cetera, et cetera. Product three, men's clothes, product clothes, just stuff that you have laying around the house that someone else could use, can benefit from, and not end up in a landfill. It's free. Really no strings attached, stuff like that. Um, and then let me go back to my homepage. So this was my homepage. There is API on here. The weather API is on here. I wanted to do more on this. I kind of put, unlock hidden potential for purpose away to a greener world. Testimonials. I had a little difficulty with the styling. I was trying to get more of a gap between this area and this area. I was able to do that with this one with the margin, let's say margin bottom. So this one will probably be a margin top where I would push the test from testimonials to this tag right here. I would push it up, and this one I pushed down. So that was just basically a little troubleshooting I had to work with. As you can see, you can connect. I put some links in my header. I'm sorry, my footer. Brings you to my LinkedIn page. Um, my GitHub, Capstone, making straight to that. That was pretty cool to learn, the link stuff. Um, and last but not least, I'm sorry, contact us. So it brings you to my email. You can email me directly. You can't see because so much on our screen. And then, of course, I link Savvy Coders. So, moving along, this was my wish list page. Like I said, I wanted to do more, a little bit more with it. It's all one big, what you call it, but as soon as more content is placed here, the footer will move down. So that's also something I need to work on. And something that I will tackle in the future. Let me go to this is my contact us. Ideally, you would be able to put your name in, but that I put my email, put a message, hello, excuse me. Then I would open up my web dev tools. And I would see Abdul, my name Abdul, number would be, well, wait a minute, but it would have email address and then my message, and it says hello. So hopefully that did work correctly. Other than that, oh, I'm sorry. Let me show some code. Um, what I found most challenging is, as you can see, the pictures and the spa, the single page application, getting all the views and the store and everything to link. One wrong misstep would crash your code. I've got it working, as you can see. I've got it working in here. It's just getting that to go was something else I have to tackle. You can see my local host there. Got it connected to. Oops, do that again. You can see it's simple. Open connection to Mongo post contacts 411.3. What you call it? You can see that worked. Connected to my MongoDB database. Yeah, all in all, this is just not finished yet, completely finished, but I guess you never really finished. And thank you for viewing my capstone.